Welcome back to X-Pression YouTube channel. For those of you that are new here, this is where you learn how to create hairstyles using X-Pression products. My name is Sonia Udeji. I'm your hairstylist for today. I shall be showing you how to achieve a French twist hairstyle using the new X-Pression Bouncy Kinky in these beautiful colors, which were recently launched in the market. So I'd like you all to sit down and relax and watch me do a creative hairstyle using the X-Pression Bouncy Kinky. Come check it out. So section the back part of your hair into 3 and apply a hair cream on the hair for it to shine. Most people usually do gel, but I don't, because in case I want to lose, I could always lose the hair, but gel, it makes it super hard. So let's get down to business. I get a strand of Bouncy Kinky and attach it to a natural hair. I braid 3 inches, then get a little strand of Bouncy Kinky and wrap the braid. And I twist all the way to where I'm gonna add another color to the braid. So the color I'm using for the base is color 33, while the color I'll use for the two-tone is color 350. So it's the same process I'm still gonna do from the base to where I will add my color. So you get a small strand and you wrap it all over to where your braid is. But do not forget to wrap it firmly. It has to be firm for a neater look. Trust me, this is easy to achieve. Very easy to achieve. And you twist all the way to where you're gonna insert your color. Trust me, I love hair so much. I love doing something creative. I love making hair. It's just part of me anyways. And I feel you should do the same. So it's the same process. Again, get a little strand and you wrap the braids. It has to be firm and you twist all the way to where you're gonna add your color. Like I said, I usually love hair cream because it's actually easy to take down, while with the gel it's a bit difficult because when it gets dry you find it difficult to take down your hair. So it's the same process. I'm very sure you will learn from this video because trust me, this is a good to go hairstyle and easy to achieve, easy to make anytime. So this is the process. This is the part I add the color 350 to my color 33. So you just twist it into the first braid, into the first hair, and voila, you twist all the way down and do not mind me, I'm really fast when it comes to braid. So when you get to the bottom part, you wrap the remnant around the braid to give it a neater look and a nice finishing. And wrap it down. We are good to go. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. Nice, right? I'm sure you like it too, because I love it. Of course. So So this is the part where you have to be careful of what you do, because this is the top part of the hair. It has to be neatly done. It has to be it's the same process anyways. The same process. Wrap around your braid, and please do not forget that I said you braid from the base 3 inches, then you take a little strand to secure the braid, then you twist all the way to where you're gonna add another color to the braid. Yep. So you don't really need to do the box braid, you just twist it in and twist it all the way down and wrap the remnants around for a clear and neater finishing. Nice. I usually do this to all my natural hair. Yeah, we're done. We are done with the braid. Yeah, that's my model. Don't she just look so cute? This is so lovely. I hope you all learned from this video, and please do not forget to choose X-Pression Bouncy Kinky for your torque roll and pin hairstyle, French twist hairstyle, and distress lock hairstyle. For those of you who have not subscribed to X-Pression YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, subscribe, like and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section below, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Ta-da! Bye!